Okay, well, then it's just the healing. The healing is better for that boss. For the rest of Druid. Can't do anything about that. I'll pick next.
Trying to bust a bit earlier so we can have it up.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't know.
The elements answer to me.
I'll get next as well.
Okay. Watch out for
Pulling the next one. Let's go.
Make sure we clear.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Clear.
Ghost.
Snoopy's dispel.
Pulling it in.
Here, dispel.
While you're next.
Yeah. Fine. Okay.
Big.
Watch your feet. I dispel.
I have next. Walla next.
I got this. Go straight in.
Kill this first.
Watch the thing.
I might have aggro.
Snoopy, you get this first one.
Yeah.
Killing X first.
X?
Okay.
I was
X.
X. Diamond.
4,
Diamond.
What the hell? I got
Clear.
2.
Big.
Kill diamond.
Kill diamond, kill diamond. Walla kick anything. Or
Mostly kill.
I'm worse. I'm knocking.
Oh my.
I don't have anything.
I'll
fine.
get the next one.
I gotta get next.
Big, you're kicking star. And then Snoopy, get ready to fear.
Back.
Dude, I fucking hate this shit so much.
Feels bad, man.
Too Snoopy.
I don't have it. I used it on the last one. Watch your HP. Try to line the next one. I can do this one.
Marked by lightning. You
I don't have mana to work with.
5,
I'll get it. It's fine.
4,
Any mana on this one.
Kick there, because it was Snoopy kick next.
Okay.
Booth.
I should have just ran across. He ate it. Oh, I would have gotten knocked out. I don't think that would have helped.
Fuck, I'm sorry.
Next one's getting off.
Yeah.
On Snoopy. I have next.
I'm
Okay.
dead.
Mine wasn't up.
I just put in a
Voila.
shitty spot.
Okay. We just dodge on the run around. Just run through early if it goes the other way. Alright, that was cool.
Dude, look where I am.
5, 4, 3,
It's on my
2.
body, it's on my body.
1.
Oh, see? Doesn't. Okay.
That's
I
weird.
would not rely on that.
I kicked it. Fuck it.
Guys, what? Okay,
I got next, and then Snoopy.
Yeah. Trying to move away from here. I can kick this one.
next one is Walla. Then it's big.
Every step.
Yeah. Quaking in 3. Quaking in 3.
It's okay to splash each other because you only take 40% HP down.
I'm actually just on full build right now.
Alright. Chill. Think, what would that guy do that said I was gonna go full fucking tilt mode, dude? Just think about that guy.
Nope.
Rama.
I now have.
And Rama.
Next one is Walla. Unless it's on me, don't kick. Kick.
Quaking.
Cut it off.
Just release bait.
Is the magic
Let's
damage
see.
mitigation not strong enough on bear? Really think that's something? Conversions okay? Yeah, they're fun. They fixed Tooth and Claw today, which is the biggest thing.
In the rafters, my sacred library has become possessed by the Shah. See how they pour.
I was gonna die quick, so get ready to.
Can I pull the bird as well?
Oh.
The spell? Kill the little shells and then I'll pull in the bird.
They're dying soon. Make sure you get your kicks on the.
Yep, I'm still on star.
Sneevy, get the fish.
Okay.
Oh,
I got it.
Wait, someone kicked my
Okay.
fish, dude.
Yeah, Walla did.
Fish.
probably me.
Was it me?
And that's why I had to stop the thing.
Yeah,
Watch the Spiteful's.
but it all worked out.
Yeah.
You're lucky I was ready for it.
Yeah.
I mean, I was about to push there anyways because the haunting shot was cast.
Are we pushing this?
Yeah, we're going in.
Okay, I got first 3. That's 1.
Yeah, dude,
I have aggro. Okay, this is 2.
Okay.
1 more.
Here we
Oh
go.
no, I couldn't get it. GTD.
It's
I
fine.
still have 1 more. I still have 1
Watch
more.
out, Pete.
Wait, bleed off myself.
You got one more wall? Right now.
Yeah.
Shade on you, Snoopy.
No, no more.
Okay.
I have next, mate.
We're gonna kill it.
See you.
Got it.
Soon. It's already soon.
No kick from me.
What
Have
the?
to kick Tiger in
I
4
got it.
seconds.
We hop down. Let's go.
Whoa, dude, honking. This is where
Not
we
sure.
fucking
So,
Just don't jump and we'll never pull.
finish the
5,
hosing,
4,
please.
Yeah, macho.
3,
Clear.
I need to
2,
clear. There's a shade
1.
on me.
Please.
Dude,
I was right on you. I was
know
literally
you
cheating.
are, bro. I'm gonna die.
We gotta
Well,
kill
we
it.
still have the
MC,
clear.
MC,
Gotta kill.
please, MC, 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 MC. Or just kill him, it's fine.
We have RP.
Move away from me.
Doing strife.
We didn't kill the fucking thing.
We had the
top of
clear.
Everybody chill the fuck
Yeah,
out.
what the fuck is going on right now?
Oh,
I don't- Who knows?
Dude, would I rather die or clear or stun each other?
Psychic blink. Shit.
I would rather us clear and you die, otherwise we all die.
Then don't kill the Spiteful there.
Swap.
Where they're both nice. So
The more fearsome the beast's grew. However, when he let it alone, the beast shrank to near nothing.
Swap. Swap. Oh god.
Zephyr?
swap on the other
Friendly
one.
just pops in.
Yeah.
What's up?
I'll clear with Rama. And then. Okay. Big you can
5,
Check
4,
this. I fucked up my
What's up?
cooldown.
being here.
What's up?
Stop.
Oh shit.
Here we go, baby.
We have to stop at 8
Stopping.
and stop. Continue.
I'm gonna pass this buff soon.
We're gonna swap back as soon as we can.
Swap.
You on peril?
Stopping.
Swap.
Kill.
Try to kill.
We clear with O'Hara.
5, 4, 3,
I don't know
Stop,
if we can.
stop. Go.
Strife feeds on conflict. When you have peace in your heart, strife will find somewhere else to fall. You have my thanks. You have given peace to this sacred. Now, I require meditation.
Try to get out of here, I think. The breath. Yeah.
Breath. What's on Rama? And Walla. Let's go. Jeez.
Not stunned.
What's the pad? It's right there.
Should we do the regular route since it's fort? It's
Oh yeah, I was gonna mention, yeah, you don't have to do the weird shit, bolstering stuff for you. You choose whatever you like.
I'm gonna drag this in here because of the Spitefuls.
Smart. Oh, I'm Alright, there's one with big.
What are we doing?
There's gonna be a double pull. Snoopy, you're on the green Shaw here. Big, you're on the other one.
Oh yeah, someone get green right now.
I can.
Dying.
Can we pull my cooldown? I just popped it.
There's
Do you want Zephyr
The
here?
Walla have shades. Sure, yes.
Breath. GS me.
5 seconds.
Don't worry.
still on the
I need to clear. shit going on.
Breath at the door. Probably should have pulled this earlier, but it's fine.
Shade on me. Stunning it.
Bring these over. I have next Mistweaver. Snoopy, you're on the shelf here.
Yes.
Next drop here.
Okay, it's fine.
And it should be fine.
4, 3,
Mine needs to. You sure about popping cooldowns on full?
Can't say we're super ahead.
I think they should. I think they should.
Alright, everyone cleared 70%.
Wave. Oh, fuck me. Come on, man.
You have self res?
No. Okay, I'm going through this. I'm gonna get him through the next one, then I'll
Yeah.
cancel.
I'm so
Wave.
stupid.
Okay, I'm canceling. If you guys want.
I'm gonna have nothing for this one. It's gonna hurt me.
Wave.
I am blue. I'm making my way over towards.
Can you top me? Shoot. Same thing again here. I'm gonna take heavy hit.
5,
Wave.
Starting to use my CDs. Pushing now.
Jade serpent, grant me strength.
Okay, and this.
Yeah. Yeah, that
Waves.
shit is insane.
I'm also healing you.
You don't, I don't, okay, I mean, you can continue, but I don't think it's necessary.
Waves.
GS me on this next one.
Scared here. With my position.
GS me.
Yeah, yeah. Watch waves, watch waves.
Got a phase for the for next, but I'll still be okay.
The cycle must continue. The Jade serpent must be reborn.
Wow. I think Walla came to time key, you didn't get me.
Silence, watch out, watch out, watch out.
We still have MC.
I do not. We can
It's fine.
one
We can still do it.
5,
You guys need a clear?
We have to really hold on to this last battle res.
Dude, I'm so. Dude, this feral damage. I'm so scared for last boss.
I'm only getting this much because I popped again. what the shit?
You can
I
swap.
would've done
MC this first one. MC this first. Mistweaver. Sneepy.
Mistweaver.
Mistweaver. Yeah.
Okay.
Quick.
MC.
I have GS.
Well, you have next on orange.
Yep.
And then Big and Sneepy, you guys rotate on water speaker.
Okay. Big. I will get next on water speaker.
Got to.
I'm just GSing.
Yeah, it's fine.
Or did you idle first?
I will need mana after this pull.
Okay.
You can re-MC and let me start a drink
Oh,
before we
fuck.
kill that.
Oh,
Sorry, my fault.
I re-MC then. Just re-MC.
Look for a clear.
You can release.
I'll need mana. I think we're far enough.
I have first kick on it.
I'm in a very bad spot. Very bad spot right now.
Got it.
Kill all these shades ASAP so I can drink. Kill that shade, please.
MC it. If you can.
It does not work right out. You can do it now. You can drink. I have to wait a little
3,
bit.
2,
Set
1.
up pull. Kicks.
I have first on Mistweaver.
I hold CDs for the last 5.
I think so,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. This is a hard pack.
Vortex is down.
I'll kick water speaker
Knocking.
to curse me.
I have nothing for that.
5,
S.
Four.
Clear. I will try to fear something.
You can go in right into this next pack, but then I'll need to drink after this pack.
Yeah, that's fine. Going straight
Are we
in.
nuking down
3,
the shop?
2, 1.
There's a shade on Big and a shade on Rama.
When do you want GS?
Not yet. I'll let you know.
Just nuke down the shop. The haunted shop. Breath. Okay.
No. GS me now.
What's up?
Vortex is down.
Watch yourself, watch yourself.
It's on one on Sneaky, one on Big.
Yeah, clear. I'm blue. I'm gonna clear with you
5,
all.
4,
Breath.
Watch breath.
Set us.
Oh.
That was so hard to see.
You can release, you can release.
Yeah, this is gonna take a little bit.
That is, yeah, pretty hard to see. It's facing issue. It's my fault, man.
Get your drink.
Just wait, just wait. Doopy, I got the first one.
Oh, we hold for intermission. You guys do that? Hold CDs.
Get as many
3,
CDs off as you
2,
can. Go,
1.
go. We are pretty tight.
Hopping on full,
Needle
bro.
edge on this boss.
You said me first.
Oharu innervate. Yes.
I'm on the left side first.
Yeah, left side.
Watch your health, guys. Catching up. Especially Quaking.
Vortex is down.
Can you get first again, Snoopy?
I don't know. Let's see. Yeah.
Finish these. We can just always go back to red.
5,
So
4,
we're gonna be spreading for
3.
green and shit. So.
Yeah.
Rama, your next.
Yep. Just keep reminding each other.
Ah,
I have PI big.
I just popped my trinket. We have damage for next.
Not
Maybe.
really.
That big should roll into it.
Hopefully.
I
I'll
will
just save a bit.
We're definitely gonna need it for this next one.
Snoopy next in 5. Good. Stack up. Should be phase.
Here it comes. Paul, can you stack? Okay.
Unlucky.
Guys.
Vortex is down. Knocking.
Snoopy, you get next.
Yeah.
Should be fine on time.
Gotta kill the ads. though.
Oh yeah. Look for your clear.
5,
Snoopy
4,
coming.
I did mine, so it's yours now.
Okay, it's mine next. Okay.
I have CDs for next, but I can just pop it on cooldown on the boss too.
You should do it on
Do it on the boss, do it on the boss. I will save mine.
Doesn't do it on
Yep, I just went there. You're next.
Oh,
I'm hemming. Watch burst
forget your
damage.
potion.
Okay,
Snoopy coming.
cancel.
Intermission in 5. Pull up.
Yep.
Group up. Vortex is down.
Okay, lost the ads.
Knocking.
Gotta finish these. Good. Snoopy, 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 Snoopy.
Trinket for next.
Clear
5,
soon, clear
4,
soon.
Big, that's really good.
Drama's you next.
Yep, intervene me.
I'm gonna help you.
Snoopy next.
Yeah.
I probably will take a lot of damage, so you can beat GS me maybe during the intermission.
Everything
up,
to
group
beat
up.
these ads.
Yep.
Everything to beat these ads.
I have a good amount of damage for this.
GS.
Vortex is down.
Heal me. Oh, never mind. Where should
Beat the ads. I'll get this one. Just
it's okay, it's the last one.
clear.
Yeah, 24 is gonna be a little tight.
Yeah, the 24 damage will be tight. 23 definitely fine.